Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use our install and set up your mobile message application. This is basically our conversation provider. First of all, you need to be in agency level, go to the app marketplace and in this installation page. You need to click on this, select your sub account and continue to install this on your agency. Once you are redirected to this page, it means your application is successfully installed and you can use it in your sub account. Now just go back to your DHL. Now you need to go to the location level. You simply go to the location where you installed the application. So here I am in my location level. You just need simply here you can see the custom page for mobile message. Click on it. Here simply click on the configure button. You can redirect it. You will be redirected to our configure page. So this is basically where you need to add your AP username, AP password, and your to set configure your phone number here. So you need to go to the mobile message application over here to find the API key. Click on the settings and then here in the API key. Here basically you need to create your API key. Like simply create the API key and here you can copy the username and password from here. And then go to our page, add the username and password over here, and for the sender ID you need to go to the sender IDs, click on it, and here you can copy the sender ID from here and add it to our configuration page. And now simply click on the configure button. It will say that your credentials are saved successfully. Now you can easily install our application. And one more thing you need to do is you need to copy this webhook URL from here. Click on this. Your webhook is copied from here. Go to your mobile message account and in the API section, click on it. And here where you need to register our webhook URL, just save the webhook URL in here. And now you are set. You're all set up with your application. Now you just simply need to go to the to any conversation to use our application. Click on the conversation or maybe go to the contacts to select for which contact you want a conversation. So click on the contact. So here in the conversation, you need to select the conversation provider over here in this bar. Click on the mobile message, and you simply pass any text over here. It will be sent to the user, and it will also from the application of our mobile message. And if someone send you a message from the mobile message on the mobile message platform, it will be visible over here like this message. So this is basically how you can set up your conversation provider and use it. Thank you.